Ayurvedic approach to the immunity is a very fascinating subject to share. What is immunity? In ancient Vedic science, Ayurveda talks a great deal about Vyadhi Kshamatva. Vyadhi means disease, and Kshamatva means natural resistance, bearing capacity. Our body has a three basic organization: Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Vata is the principle of movement, Pitta is the energy of heat, digestion, and color complexion, and Pitta is a very important energy of transformation of food into microchyle. Therefore, nourishment, nutrition, and all metabolic activities are governed by Pitta, and Kapha is a building block material. So these are the three organizations right from the birth till the end of the life. These three doshas are governing our unique psychophysiology. And this psychophysiology of the body is connected to your prakriti, your constitution, your unique blueprint, your unique genetic code. So that prakriti is very important. But prakriti, we are constantly bombarded by outer environmental changes, diet, lifestyle, seasonal changes, dietetic changes, change in the emotion, and change in the relationship. These changes are constantly bombarding our body. And then Vata dosha goes high. If we do too much jogging, jumping, trampling, and eating black bean, pinto bean, aduke bean, and chickpea flour, and it will produce gas. Pitta will go out of balance during summer season and eating cayenne pepper, curry pepper, sour fruit, citrus fruit, and that Pitta will create acid indigestion, heartburn. And then Kapha, if we eat too much meat and wheat and eat cheese and yogurt and ice cream and eating, sitting, doing nothing, that will build up too much raw Kapha. This is the changes that are happening are on the dosha. So these doshas go out of balance, and that state of out of balance of the dosha is called Vikruti. Prakriti, Vikruti is the basic paradigm. Now, how we can maintain our immunity? Ayurvedic concept of immunity is totally individual. This is amazing, the greatest discovery, that every individual has a unique way of maintaining his or her immunity, because immunity is a natural resistance, it is a biological strain. But Ayurveda says Agni, the gastric fire, the digestive fire, and that Agni reva balam pumsam, Agni is your biological strain, Agni is your immunity, Agni is your resistance. So, as long as you keep your Agni healthy, then bacteria, virus cannot affect you. If you just take a little cotton swab and apply to the throat and put it on the glass slide under high power microscope with the dye, you will see streptococci, staphylococci, pneumococci, all cocci are there. Why don't you get pneumonia? Because of resistance. Your Agni is healthy, strong, even though you are exposed to the streptococci, staphylococci, pneumococci, even the virus, you will not get affected. This is a wonderful ancient Vedic key. Agni ayuhu, Agni reva balam pumsam, Agni reva vyadhi kshamatvam. So vyadhi kshamatva, your biological strength, your immunity entirely depends upon Agni. And that's why if you daily drink CCF tea, cumin, coriander, fennel, and little ginger and couple of drops of lemon juice, lime juice, and if you drink that hot tea in the morning, amazing, it will kindle your Agni, it will take care of bacteria. Because if you have too much cold drink, cold reduces natural resistance. That's why if you take ice water, it will reduces natural resistance of the throat. You will get pharyngitis, laryngitis, tonsillitis. Why? Because cold. Cold inhibits Agni. Cold suppresses your immunity, and that is why exposure to the cold weather can reduce your natural resistance. That's why don't take cold drinks. Drink hot drinks, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom tea. And wonderful thing, daily take Chavanprash 1 teaspoon in the morning and in the evening, because Chavanprash has Pipli, Piper longum, and it is Ashwagandha, Bala, Vidari. This is wonderful rasayana. So to take daily rasayana, to maintain your immunity, and to do pranayama, to maintain your pranic power. So immunity is balance between ojas, tejas, prana. Ojas is your immune function at cellular level. Tejas is a metabolic activity at cellular level, and prana is a flow of communication. So ojas, tejas, prana. If you balance it, you will maintain the immunity. And jiveda sharadaha shatam pashyema sharadaha shatam. You can happily live for 100 years long because of your immunity. Namaste.